impregnate a girl.
Can I ask you
It's your sperm
Bring your
working.
babe.
It's your sperm
Bring your
working.
babe.
I don't have a babe. I
Bring
have
your
a
babe.
You are, look at me. You know, anybody you see. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Are you mad? Look at this hungry guy.
You know
Can you afford to chatter a boss?
You know you are identical.
You are.
Do you know
So you want to compare me and use that together?
Single hair no go for your head.
You are if you are.
Do you know who you
5k drop.
5,000.
5,000.
Oh yeah, now they go.
You will need to talk to my customer, maybe.
Talk to your customer. Tell your customer make come down now. I want to pay you 5,000. Say man, talk to your customer. Chairman, I feel reason you. I been no vex. Please, do you mind if you can just come down? I want to chatter the boss. Please, I have somewhere I have to.
Cause na God go punish you.
What did you just say?
I said na God go punish you.
I'm sorry. You said what?
I said God will actually punish you. Like it will not be better for you.
Excuse me, what is the meaning of that? I politely asked you that if you could please alight from the boss. So you better watch the way you talk to people and you don't anybody you see. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Are you mad? Look at this hungry guy. You know can you afford to chatter a boss?
You know you are identical.
You are.
Do you know
so you want to compare me and use that together?
Single hair no go for your head.
You are if you are.
Do you know who you are
for that statement you
just made?
Okay, follow your passenger talk.
You want blessing me 5,000 naira? Come over here.
That's all that you give me now, bro.
You told me 5,000 a blessing. You know what? You know plans so I get for you.
What plan?
You know plans so I get for you.
You want go murder you for corner? No follow around.
Full drink of Come carry and give me.
Come. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Is something wrong? Okay, you want to fight me? You want to?